Hello friends, welcome to M&M Happy Kids channel.
Let's learn simple opposite words in English.
Tall, tall. Short, short. Good, good. Bad, bad. Rich, rich. Poor, poor. Above, above. Below, below. Big, big. Small, small. Fat, fat. Thin, thin. Heavy, heavy. Light, light. Up, up. Down, down. Inside, inside. Outside, outside. Open, open. Close, close. Push, push. Pull, pull. Right, right. Left, left. Hot, hot. Cold, cold. Warm, warm. Cool, cool. Fast, fast. Slow, slow. Quick, quick. Lazy, lazy. Day, day. Night, night. Morning, morning. Evening, evening. Early, early. Late, late. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Cry, cry. Laugh, laugh. Love, love. Hate, hate. Right, right. Wrong, wrong. Yes, yes. No, no. Clean, clean. Dirty, dirty. Empty, empty. Full, full. Sweet, sweet.
Sore, sore.
Soft, soft. Hard, hard. Dry, dry. Wet, wet. Fresh, fresh. Stale, stale. Strong, strong. Weak, weak. New, new. Old, old. Young, young. Old, old. Boy, boy. Girl, girl. Male, male. Female, female. Uncle, uncle. Aunt, aunt. Baby, baby. adult, adult, father, father, mother, mother, son, son, daughter, daughter, brother, brother, sister, sister, king, king, queen, queen, man, man, woman, woman, win, win, lose, lose, smooth, smooth, rough, rough, success, success, failure, failure, expensive, expensive, cheap, cheap, easy, easy, difficult, difficult, few, few, many, many, one, one, many, many, first, first, last, last, begin, begin, end, end, entry, entry, exit, exit, buy, buy, sell, sell, give, give, take, take, borrow, borrow, lend, lend, accept, accept, reject, reject, coming, coming, going, going, sit, sit, stand, stand, walk, walk, run, run, sleep, sleep, awake, awake, jump, jump, fall, fall, alive, alive, dead, dead, teach, teach, learn, learn, ask, ask, answer, answer, question, question, reply, reply, play, play, study, study, work, work, rest, rest, strong, strong, weak, weak, beautiful, beautiful, ugly, ugly, sweet, sweet, bitter, bitter, near, near, far, far, calm, calm, loud, loud, gentle, gentle, harsh, harsh. Same, same. Different, different. Tall, tall. Tiny, tiny. Together, together. Alone, alone. Safe, safe. Unsafe, unsafe. Increase, increase. Decrease, decrease. Add, add. Subtract, subtract. Multiply, multiply. Divide, divide. Light, light. Dark, dark. Thick, thick. Thin, thin. Good, good. Evil, evil. Clean, clean. Messy, messy. Live, live. Die, die. Tall, tall. Dwarf, dwarf. True, true. False, false. Forward, forward. Backward, backward. Modern, modern. Traditional, traditional. Even, even. Odd, odd. Heaven, heaven. Hell, hell. Front, front. Back, back. Rainy, rainy. Sunny, sunny. Top, top. Bottom, bottom. Spend, spend. Save, save. Straight, straight. Curly, curly. Online, online. Offline, offline. Long, long. Short, short. Loud, loud. Mute, mute. Free, free. Arrest, arrest.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.